Kocha wa kirabu kia Bandari FC Barnard Mwalala ni atugitwo na ngoga ya kocha mwega muno wa mweri wa gatano kumana na kirabu kiu kwandikithia maumirira mega makiria mweri-ini ucio. Bandari mandikithirie uhotani maita matano magithaka na kirabu kia Ulinzi, Vihiga United, Chemelil Sugar, Tusker na Zukiricho na kuma Kafati ngucanio-ini.
This is for fidelity. We do all that which others know to do, as you know, and always try us.
Riri ni rita ria keri ria Mwalala gukorwo kiiyukia ngoga ino thutha wake gukorwo atugitwo na ngoga ota iyo mwaka muthiru.
We do all that which others know to do, as you know.
Kugina kuo ngaragano cia gonya ya muthiururukano wa Stanbic igukorwo Meru weekend ino ikereka-ini ria Kabeberi Sevens na kuria makiria ma timu 40 iratanyo gukorwo ikinyita itemi.
Kasiti, the try scorer for Western Bulls. Good show and go here.
He's a very good player, Kasiti.
Yeah, very good player, but good defense coming in from Impala.
Riri ni rio rita ria mbere ngaragano ici gukorwo ikihanika counti-ini ya Meru, ria muico ikihanika counti-ini ya Machakos.
So can Impala have a very organized defense. See, once the line is broken, you get everyone else getting back.
The referee playing advantage. There was a high tackle there, so Impala have to release the Western Bulls player.
Ahotani ikereka ria mbere ria ngaragano ici kiumia githiru nio KCB maigitwo thiini wa pool A kuria magacemania na kirabu kia Impala Saracen, Menengai Oilers na Meru FC, riria ng'ethaniria o Homeboys maigitwo thiini wa pool B hamwe na Masinde Muriro, Pirates na Mean Machine.
The Bulls need to win this game to keep hope alive of a main cup quarter-final appearance.
Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kakamega TV, Geto Shohi wa Ithefethi.
Western Bulls on the attack here. They've had